Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware. Plug your guitar into the interface's high-Z input and connect the interface to your Mac. Once done, install or confirm the manufacturer drivers and allow Mac OS audio permissions. Open Audio MIDI Setup to check sample rate and buffer defaults so Logic won't misbehave. Make sure the interface appears as an input device in System Preferences. This step avoids dropouts and ensures Logic will detect your signal immediately when the project opens. Next, configure Logic. Open Preferences, choose your interface as the input and output device, and match the sample rate you set earlier. Create a new audio track, assign the correct input channel, input 1 for your guitar, and enable Record Enable so you can monitor. Then choose Direct Input or load an Amp Designer plugin for tone shaping. Once monitoring is active, adjust the track input level so meters peak around -6 dB to leave headroom for processing. Finally, prepare to record. Set a lower buffer size for real-time monitoring and arm the track. You monitor through Logic or the interface. If you use heavy plugins, consider monitoring direct to avoid latency. Record takes, comp as needed, then move effects to insert slots for mixing. If you get no signal, stop and verify cable integrity, input selection, and interface gain, restart Logic or replug the interface. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle I/O device in Preferences.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.